So I'm getting a problem with my printer. I will power it up, and when I power it up, the Forge Flash logo will come up on the screen, regular logo. There's no lights coming on here. My fan is trying to power up, but there's no fan action happening at all. And eventually I get this message on the screen saying error 7, and I don't know how to fix it, so I'm making a video to try to find a solution. If you can help me with this, or if you know any sources that can help me with this, just comment down below or let me know what you think I should do. But I really don't know what's going on with my printer, and I need to find a solution. So if you can help me, comment down below.